Hello and welcome back to your own channel Indian Defense Analysis, where we bring to you all the latest development happening in the defense sector.
Recently, we have seen a video of Rustam 2 or Tapas PS-201 from the test flight conducted for the MALE UAV. This was quite important development for Rustam 2 program as it has proven the two critical technologies which includes ATOL or autonomous takeoff and landing and the integration of UAV's flight system with indigenous Gagan satellite. Now there are few more updates coming for Rustam 2 program. In an interview with Times Now, Dr. Tessie Thomas, Director General Aeronautical Systems of DRDO, said that Rustam 2 will be flying at 28,000 feet for over 18 hours. This is what armed forces want. This is what they will get. We are taking up the issues of higher altitude and longer range. This is what the senior DRDO scientist has said about the Rustam 2 program. Not sure if we should be happy about it because similar update was reported back in February this year. It was reported by Hindustan Times that Rustam 2 is targeted to achieve a huge milestone in April 2021 when it will take off from its test range in Karnataka's Chitradurga to fly for more than 18 hours at a height of over 27,000 feet. However, we have not seen any such trial this year. While our armed forces desperately awaits high endurance trials of Rustam 2, there are also quite a few developments happened in Rustam 2 program. Till date, we have seen three versions of Rustam UAV, which are Rustam 2, Rustam H, and now Tapas BH-201. If we talk about the technological advancement in the latest Tapas BH-201, it includes automatic takeoff and landing ATOL and satellite communication SATCOM mode, which we just saw in the latest trial of Rustam 2. It is expected to offer an endurance of 24 hours and flight altitude of 30,000 feet. And as of October 2020, it has demonstrated an endurance of 8 hours and maximum flight ceiling of 16,000 feet. DRDO's CVRD has also developed an indigenous 180 horsepower diesel turboprop engine for Rustam 2, and we can see it being used in the recent pictures of the MALE UAV. CVRDE is also working on a more powerful engine that can deliver 220 horsepower at a ceiling of 15,000 feet, which will further boost the payload capacity of the drone. At present, Tapas can carry a payload of around 350 kg, but with the integration of new powerful engines, its payload capacity can be around 700 to 1000 kgs. Theoretically, Tapas should be able to carry 8 anti-tank guided missiles.
This was today's update. Please let us know what is your views about these in comment section. Feel free to post your comments and suggestions about any topic related to defense sector on which you want to hear from us. With this, I would like to say goodbye and Jai Hind friends. Please like and subscribe our video if you have not done already. We will be soon back with more interesting and amazing development happening in defense sector.